Welcome back to Built from the Bottom, and this is going to be part one of me remodeling this warehouse I just bought. So today's Monday the 21st. The goal is to get this done within a 1 week to 2 week time frame. I just closed on it. I signed the papers like an hour ago down at the law firm, but the guy that was selling the property, he ended up pushing back when he was signing it an hour, so now I gotta go get copy of recording of the deed and stuff here at the law firm, and then also they are holding the keys. Well guys, we just went and picked up the paperwork showing that I am the owner of this now, and I asked the attorney, I was like, hey, can you collect the keys from him? And they did not want to collect the keys from the guy, or I'm assuming they probably forgot, which I really don't care. They forgot to collect them, but now he's ghosting me and I can't get into this unit. I don't understand why I'm getting ghosted, bro. Man gets his wire, gets his money, he ghosts you. See, look, I closed on this thing. No more than 30 minutes. We already got the tile coming in. What's up, buddy? Where's Jace?
Him coming.
He's coming?
Yeah.
Ah.
Oh my God.
Right?
A lot of stuff. Some 2x4s, we have no room to put them in.
I'm trying to call him, I don't got the keys.
Oh, I have a set of keys. I'll give them keys.
Yeah.
He didn't give you keys?
No, he didn't give keys. I asked the attorneys to take the keys and they didn't,
I mean, I only have one.
Yeah, hey, just keep it. I'll keep the locks the same. Come in whenever.
You sure?
For now, yeah, if you guys want to take stuff out of it. What, he just signs papers and then doesn't pick up his phone again? It's kind of...
I don't know.
Damn, y'all left so much stuff in here. We just got outside the unit, and there is, he left everything. Let's cut to the clip of me getting hung upside down by that real quick. Raimundo's taking the couch. Couch is a pull-out couch. He left all this stuff in here, and Jace came over here expecting to lay down the, what is it called?
The roll down.
The roll down, so we can get going with this tile. We've been in here for a total of 30 minutes, and I want to start breaking stuff, but you start making a mess when you start breaking everything. We got an illegal back here.
Y aquí supuestamente van a hacer un master shower. Escaleras. Chish, down.
So you guys clearly understood what he said from my Spanish speaking people. So we all know he was talking shit.
Oh, sneak peek. Sneak peek.
So we got Taupe going in the front. We gotta clear this whole place out. It's kind of like a freaking mess.
Place is just trash. Is there good oil in there? I need some in my truck.
All I know is there's some good baseboard right here. This is definitely gonna get used, dude.
No, dude, that's just
junk.
Junk.
Go to the square stuff.
Yeah.
We have the steel beams, which I'll frame out the section of the room going right here. So we're gonna pretty much cut over to a time lapse. We're just gonna take everything out of this front room, and then I'll probably get the leaf blower, some Spanish music going, so Raimundo has some pep in his step.
After we put him in the shopping cart.
We just got this whole room kind of cleared out. I was thinking if we lay down so what are we about to lay down?
Roll down.
So we're about to put roll down, and then
So that it doesn't crack wherever the stress cracks are in the concrete. That way that goes in there with mesh on top so the tile doesn't bust or get hollow underneath.
the next day. We got a trash pile out here, and I woke up with a little bit of a sore throat, so my voice is pretty hoarse right now. But the goal is, before Jace and Raimundo get back, we need to get everything out of here. Raimundo and Jace just got here. Jace, he's already drinking on the job. You know, technically
I was holding this for Raimundo.
Oh. So right here is one of the planks. He's gonna explain kind of like how this gets laid down.
Well, first step is you already rolled down the floor. Done. So we're gonna go in there, see how square the room is to see if we can put 2 full tiles. That way we don't have little cuts on the edges of the walls. We're gonna try to get it to where at least each cut's even from one side to the other. Drop some lines, mix up some thin set, and start installing.
And then he uses these because
so you put these in between, like the tile, whenever you put it up, and then you put these, and they go like that, and they wedge in, and everything stays level all the way across the floor. That way you don't have any high tiles or anything like that. That's no bueno.
Cool. Let's cut over the time lapse. All right, it's the next day. Jason's drinking a beer again, dude, right after work. You saw in the time lapse, they started going at it. They've been here for a little bit of time now, and they started getting a lot done with the tile. How's it going, Raymundo?
Going on, buddy?
Good?
Yes, sir.
Not too many cuts?
Nah, that's all right.
It looks great. So I added on last minute a section right here that you can see that's going to be a separate office. And Jace doesn't know.
Cut to the chase. He's trying to get free tile out of me because there's not going to be enough.
There's not going to be enough. You didn't get 2 more things. Jace is honestly, all right, so let's end the video kind of right here, but I'll probably time-lapse a little bit more of them doing the rest of this. And then part 2, we'll have this whole piece done, doing the grout, and then other stuff that I'll talk about in part 2, which will be up in a couple of days. But dude, Jace came out here for free, doing all this work, laying down this tile. He doesn't make any money off the product. He sells that wholesale for me. Like, this right here is one of the homies, and I really appreciate it.
Anytime.
So tell them we'll catch you in a couple of days, and this will all be done.
You guys will catch me probably in a year from now too, doing the next one.
hopefully 6 months.
Say peace out. Bye, buddy.
Anymore.